Forest ecosystem. A forest ecosystem is a natural woodland unit consisting of all plants, animals, and microorganisms in that area, functioning together with all of the non living physical factors of the environment. Characteristics or features of forest ecosystem. The forest ecosystem has the following features: 1. Forest canopy. 2. Forest floor. 3. Forest soil. 4. Complex structure. 1. Forest canopy. The canopy is the most important feature of the forest ecosystem. It refers to the topmost part of the tree's community or plant's crowns, which covers the upper area of the forest. It is important because it acts as an interface between the land and the atmosphere. It also serves as the upper habitat for several biological organisms. 2. Forest floor. It also has a great deal of importance. It consists of the leaves which have fallen from the trees, stems, fruits, wood, etc. Forest floor simply refers to the land of the forest region, which contains many inorganic as well as organic matters. The floor of the forest is also home to many species of fungi and microorganisms. 3. Forest soil. Forest soil is another feature of forest ecosystem which is most affected by the alterations in climate, geology, quantity of rainfall, etc. The forest soil is also very fertile as it contains all the leaves and parts of trees that fall from the trees. This adds to the organic matter present in the soil. The leaves also become food for fungi and other microorganisms that inhabit the soil. 4. Complex structure. The forest ecosystem is actually a very complex system of various interconnected living and non-living matters. The ecosystem can be small like the backyard of a house or a large one like a reserve forest. The range of the ecosystem is dependent on geology and variety of species and organisms that form a part of it. Structure of forest ecosystem. Around 40% of the world's land is occupied by forests. In India, approximately 1/10 of the total available land is covered by forests. The forest ecosystem has the following part: 1. Abiotic component and 2. Biotic component. 1. Abiotic component. It refers to the organic as well as inorganic matter present in the forest. They are present either in forest atmosphere or soil. The forest soil contains minerals as well as organic debris and decaying matter. 2. Biotic component. The living organisms which are a part of the forest ecosystem existing in the following order: 1. Producers, 2. Consumers, 3. Decomposers. 1. Producers. This segment comprises of the trees. The trees exhibit a great deal of diversity and stratification. This is seen most in tropical and deciduous forests. The diversity of the forest depends on type of forest which develops because of its favorable climatic conditions. The other members of this segment are shrubs and ground vegetation. 2. Consumers. Consumers can be of three types: 1. Primary consumers, 2. Secondary consumers, and 3. The tertiary consumers. 1. The primary consumers. This category consists of the herbivorous and mainly includes the animals that feed on tree leaves like beetles, grasshoppers, bugs, spiders, termites, ants, etc. Primary consumers can also be larger animals that eat producers, fruits, or vegetation like elephants, deer, squirrels, bats, etc. 2. Secondary consumers. This category includes carnivores like snakes, lizards, foxes, etc. They usually feed on the herbivores. Next is tertiary consumers. These include the top carnivores that eat the carnivores of the second level like lions, tigers, etc. 3. Decomposers. The decomposers comprise of a wide assortment of microorganisms like fungi, bacteria, and actinomycetes. The decomposition rate is lower in temperature forests as compared to tropical and subtropical forests. Functions of forest ecosystem. Forests perform a variety of roles in the ecosystem. They are production function, protective function, and regulative function. Production function. Mankind has depended on the products of the forest for a long time. The forests provide humans useful goods like wood for cooking and warmth, materials for support, tools and shelter, food, etc. Wood is used predominantly for the purpose of fuel. They can also be used for the making of furniture. The forests are also a source of oxygen for living organisms. Typically, an acre of forest provides 6 tons of oxygen. This is due to a process called photosynthesis, through which plants take in carbon dioxide from the environment and release oxygen as a byproduct. Protective function. The forests also play a big role in the protecting water and maintaining the climatic conditions. When it rains, the leaves play a cushioning role and prevent the water from falling down all its fury on the forest soil. This also prevents muddy water from seeping into the water sources, which can be very harmful to the aquatic life like fishes, aquatic plants, and the water ecosystem in general. The trees also prevent the water from evaporating rapidly into the atmosphere. 3. Regulative function. The forest also prevents global warming by regulating the environment's temperature, humidity level, amount of rainfall, geochemical processes, etc. Types of forests. Forests can be of different types, which are of 1. Tropical forest and subtropical forest. 2. Plantations. 3. Boreal forest. 4. Temperature forest. And 5. Monsoon forest. 1. Tropical forest and subtropical forest. This category of forest is also called rainforest. They are dense and have plenty of trees having wide leaves cover. They usually occur in the low-lying areas near the equator. They are also called evergreen forests because they remain green throughout the year and have a thick and dense canopy. These forests also have more than half the species of plants and animals that canopy the Earth's surface. These forests are one of the oldest types of forests that can be found on Earth. These forests absorb a large quantity of carbon dioxide and therefore release a large quantity of oxygen on the Earth's atmosphere. On an average, close to 50% of the Earth's forests are tropical or subtropical in nature. Mangrove forests also come under this category of forests. In terms of biodiversity, they are not as rich as tropical forests. The kind of vegetation found in these forests is mostly angiosperm in nature, in the sense that they can even survive in the extreme conditions of floods and excessive salts in the soil. 2. Plantations. Plantation is also regarded as a type of forest. Plantation is actually a kind of farm or an estate which is employed for the cultivation of crops. They occur typically in tropical and subtropical areas. These types of land are typically used for the production of cash crops like coffee, oilseeds, sugarcane, tobacco, etc., which are grown on a large scale for exporting to other countries. When the plantation is done for industrial purposes, it is called forestry. In this type of activity, the trees are planted for procuring a particular quantity of wood in a short period of time. 3. Boreal forests. These forests are also popular by their name, taiga. The term boreal typically means northern. Such forests occupy 17% of the available land. This kind of forest is usually found at 50° to 60° latitude. The prevalent temperature at this altitude is very low, and the canopy of these forests allows only a small percentage of the sunlight to enter. The soil of these forests is not very fertile, mainly due to low temperature and less amount of sunlight reaching the forest land. The kinds of trees that grow at this latitude are pine, spruce, and fir. They can withstand extremely low temperatures. The fauna that can be found in these forests include deer, bats, woodpecker, hawks, deer, fox, and many others that can withstand the extremely low temperatures. 4. Temperature forests. The temperature forests can be found in both the northern and the southern hemispheres. The latitude is typically between 25° to 50°, and the regions are northeastern Asia, North America, western and central Europe. These can be deciduous as well as evergreen. These forests experience all the 4 types of seasons: summer, spring, winter, and autumn. They usually have mineral enriched and fertile soils. Trees of temperature forests have very broad leaves, and the typical examples are oak, maple, cottonwood, etc. Animals living in these forests include rabbits, squirrels, wolf, black bear, mountain lion, etc. 5. Monsoon or seasonal forests. Monsoon forests, also known as seasonal or dry forests, generally experience 2 extreme seasons, that is, high rainfall and extreme dryness. The kind of climatic conditions that prevail in these forests are severe, either extreme rainfall or extreme dryness. These forests can be found in Southeast Asia, West and East Africa, Eastern Brazil, and North Australia. The various types of trees that can be found in these forests are woody vines, orchid, and many others like thick bamboos and tall teak trees, etc. These trees are highly endangered because of human activities, especially in places like Africa, where at most 90% of the forest cover has been removed due to deforestation. Thank you.